Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a drone view of the largest modern shopping mall in West Africa, which is called the West Hills Mall. As we all know, Ghana has about more than 50 malls in the country, with majority of the mall being China Mall. But what you don't know is the largest shopping mall is actually located right here in Ghana. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be giving you a drone view of what this beautiful mall looks like. West Hills Mall has been the largest shopping mall since 2014 at 27,700 meters square. It has over 20 shops, and that includes Edgar's, Mac, Violetta, Mango, Banana, and a lot more. Although Ghana is small in area and population, Ghana is one of the leading countries in Africa. That is because Ghana has a considerable natural wealth, and it is also the second largest producer of gold and cocoa in Africa. Have you been to Ghana before? If you have, please share your experience in the comment section. Let's get to know ourselves. And if you're enjoying this video, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.